Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here for the announcements in the month of January. This is the last month of first semester. This is the last month of first semester. Are all of your ducks in a row to earn credit and pass your classes? This means, do you have a plan to submit all of your coursework on time? Most classwork ends in week 20 and is due on the 20th of January. If you are missing work, now is the time to turn on those turbos and submit. Okay, in the month of January, we will observe Martin Luther King Jr. Day. This is on the 16th, Monday, the 16th of January. There is no school. For those unaware of MLK, Martin Luther King, he is an iconic civil rights leader who led a movement to end segregation and counter prejudice in the United States through the means of peaceful protests and activities. Another tidbit for January is that it is National Blood Donor Month. So if you're interested in donating blood, find out an area where you can do that and help to save a life. All right, everyone, I hope you have a great month. Please let me know if you ever have any questions in any class. Bye.